You can't have breakfast without eggs, and you can't have eggs without breakfast. Today we're making Eggs Benedict, or EB for short. The secret to the best EB is to use boneless baby chicken. Make sure you really want this, because when you remove the baby chicken bone, he will no longer be able to live up to his dreams. Just make sure you make the right decision. I'm sorry, Mom. It must be done. Next, cook some ice to make clear juice and mix Solardo. Once the juice looks fast enough, add your baby chicken to the tornado juice. When baby chicken and tornado juice mix, they make egg packets. I like egg packets. Notice how the white stuff and the yellow stuff like each other. Once your baby chicken's done, set it on the side. We'll need this later. Egg packets, da-na-na-na-na. For the Honda sauce, add 2 egg yellows, some lemon sauce, some white pepper. Slowly add in some butter. I'm using some melted butter. Mix Solardo. Add in some clear juice. Clear juice has the thickening power of water. Instead of using a double boiler, I'll be using the double toaster method to cook the sauce. Some EV recipes call for circle bread, rectangle bread, or square bread, so we're just gonna make some out of triangle bread. The easiest way to do this is to use a color utensil. I make sure mine's low odor so people can't, I messed up. Anyways, draw the triangle and make sure you take your time. You only get 2 chances. This one came out perfect, so I'm gonna remove the bread from the bread. I'm gonna hit 2 rocks with 1 stone by toasting my triangles during the double toaster process. I don't have any Canadian bacon, so I'm just gonna use some Chinese ham. Drop in the egg packets, some Honda sauce, parsley rain. It should look something like this. Taste test. I like eggs.